Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Maria, and if you're not, hello again and thank you very much for watching. So first of all, I'm sorry I didn't put out any videos last week. It was my birthday and we had a lot of fun, but in doing so I wasn't able to film any videos, so sorry about that. This week I'm going to make it up to you. So in today's video we're going to do a comparison between the two concealers that are very famous at the moment. This one is the most famous of all, I would say. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and recently I've been watching a lot of videos where beauty gurus compare it to the Makeup Revolution one. And they actually say this Makeup Revolution concealer is a dupe to the Tarte Shape Tape. So naturally, when I heard that, I immediately went and picked up the Makeup Revolution concealer to test it out for myself, because I really need to see that. The Makeup Revolution concealer costs around $6, which is amazing, and the Tarte Shape Tape is probably, I believe, around 25, 6, 7, something like that. And the price difference is huge. So if you can buy a concealer as good as the Tarte Shape Tape for a fraction of the price, that would be amazing. So I'm really excited to test it out. Actually, I've already tested them out. I'm wearing one concealer on one eye and the other concealer on the other eye, so I won't tell you which is which. Stay tuned and watch the video if you want to know my final thoughts. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so this is what the packaging of the Makeup Revolution concealer looks like, and this is it compared to the Tarte Shape Tape. They are very different. Makeup Revolution one is much smaller. It has a lot less product actually. Tarte Shape Tape comes with 10 milliliters of product, as you can see here. And the Makeup Revolution concealer comes with 3.4 milliliters of product, which is almost 3 times less. The applicators are very similar. Both are huge. Now I'm going to swatch them. The consistency is very thick on the Makeup Revolution concealer, while the Shape Tape is a little bit thinner, providing the same amount of coverage. The shades are totally off. Okay, so let's test the concealers on the eyes, but before I do that, I'm going to apply some foundation first, and then we're going to test the concealers out. Okay, so these are the concealers side by side, and straight out the bat I do see a difference. Obviously the color match is completely different. One is lighter and yellow, the Tarte Shape Tape is obviously lighter and more yellow. The other one is like a salmon color and it's a lot darker, so you cannot really compare them. The Makeup Revolution one gives you a lot of coverage, that is true, but it's also a little bit thicker than the Tarte Shape Tape. And what does that mean? Usually thicker concealers can crease a lot more, which is the case here. So I applied the Makeup Revolution one on this eye, and I have less wrinkles on this side than I do on this one. So I wanted to see that comparison, and now all of a sudden I have a lot more wrinkles on this eye with the Makeup Revolution concealer. So I don't like that. Maybe they are a dupe for younger people, which only needs to cover up their dark circles. The Makeup Revolution one is excellent for that, but yeah, I think it would crease on you if you are a little bit older, or if you have some wrinkles or something like that. So yeah, I have one more concealer that I want to test out, and maybe I'll test it out in another video, because I think this one is a much closer dupe to the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm talking about the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. This one is excellent and I recommend it straight off the bat, but I will compare it to Tarte Shape Tape in some future video. And yeah, those were my final thoughts. So Tarte Shape Tape is much better. They both give you a lot of coverage, but Makeup Revolution one is slightly thicker and it creases a little bit more. So yeah, what do you think? How do you like this side compared to this one? I would like to know your opinions about these concealers, if you've tested them out. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, that's just my skin, we're all very different. So yeah, if you like the Makeup Revolution concealer, please continue using it. I'm probably going to continue using it because it's a great concealer, it covers up a lot. It's not as good as the Tarte Shape Tape, but it still gets a big thumbs up from me. So yeah, that concludes this video. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post videos twice a week and I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!